And welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Headley Cup champion St. Elizabeth Technical denied Grace Shield winners Excelsior High the Triple Crown after claiming the Issa Spalding Cup title on first innings honours in their rain-affected three-day final, which ended in Santa Cruz on Friday. More in this report.
From winning their 38th Issa Headley Cup title, St. Elizabeth Technical secured the double by winning the Issa All-Ireland Spalding Cup title on Friday. They defeated defending champions Excelsior High on first innings after rain prevented any play on the third and final day at the STETHS Sports Complex. With both ends of the bowler's run-up deemed unfit for play due to wet conditions caused by overnight rain, no play was possible on Friday. Excelsior were set to resume on 16 without loss in their second innings, still trailing by 185 runs. Scores in the match: Excelsior 127 and 16 without loss, STETHS 328. Issa official Ronsel Brooks, who is the chairman of Urban Area Cricket, addressed the issue of pitch covers which impacted the game.
I'm not fully aware of the situation as it relates to covers for this institution itself. For us at Issa, we would have engaged entities to have areas out ready for the game. Unfortunately, the covers were available, however it had some defects, and that caused the pitch to be affected.
Meanwhile, head coach of STETHS, Carl Wright, who was guiding the team for the second season, hailed his players.
At STETHS, winning is a habit, so it's just like normal for us to be Spalding Cup champion or Headley Cup champion. I didn't do anything, the boys, them do it. So, as I said, hats off to all of them, they did well.
STETHS last won the Spalding Cup title in 2023 when they defeated Woolmer's Boys, also on first innings, in a rain-affected final.